Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how I do a two-strand twist. Before I get into this, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification bell so whenever I drop a video you will be notified. So let's get into this. I'll be working on a fresh wash or shampoo hair today. So I start by applying some hair oil to the scalp and to the hair. After I apply the hair oil to the scalp and the remaining on the hair, then I start my section, and I'll be using medium size section today for my twists. You could use a small or you could use a medium or a large section, but my clients want a medium twist today. So I start by I detangle the hair a little bit, and then I start by doing my sectioning where I start from the back and I'll work my way up to the front. Doing the sectioning depends on the density or the texture of the hair, so that would determine what size you want your twist to be and how thick is the hair. So the twist starts from the root to the ends. You just start by just twisting and twisting and twisting. It's just pretty simple. So when you're making your section for your twists, your section part has to be clean, and try to get all your section on the same width and thickness, so equal parts. So today I'll be using a brick layer pattern to do my twists, and it's like just laying brick. That's the pattern I'm using. So today I'll be using jam and beeswax for my twists. I'm working on dry hair because my client doesn't want his hair to shrink much, so we'll be doing it dry and just adding the jam and the beeswax to twist it in. So as I said, we just twist from the root onto the ends. It's very simple to do a two-strand twist. Very simple. And throughout the section you will see putting the products on the hair before I actually comb it, to smooth the product through the hair. So when I put the product on the hair, it makes the hair softer, so easily to take the comb and smooth out the product on the hair. And I'll show, to explain, I'm not even sure how to explain the brick layer pattern that I'm doing, but you will see and understand how the brick layer is. So I continued twisting the hair, going all the way up to the hair, to the front of the head. This client need hair to fall in the front of the head, so I'll be doing the hair falling to the front when I reach at the top of the hair. Doing this two-strand twist, make sure you twist the hair tightly at the root, not over tightly, but especially when you're working on dry hair, you have to make sure the root is twist a little bit tighter, and then you carry down to the ends, and the ends is twist all right out. So you're twisting the ends all the way out, so you don't have a fuzzy ends if the ends is not twisted properly. I am at the front of the head. Now I will do the two-strand twist to go towards the face. Normally, after I complete my twisting, I will use a mousse to keep the hair in place. So today I will sprit the whole head with setting lotion and tie the hair with the do-rag. Put the client under the dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the client and remove the do-rag and style as needed. So I hope today you enjoyed this tutorial. This hair is looking really nice and I hope that you will try this look. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and don't forget, if you don't subscribe as yet, please hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. Bye bye.